Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing about the repair module in Odoo 16. The repair management module provides you the provision to effectively carry out all your after-sale services of products and also helps you to manage, remove or replace the damaged portions of a sold product. Now, let's get inside the repair module and see what all things we can do inside. So here's the repair module. Okay, so once you open the repairs module, you can see the list view of all the repair orders which are created till date. Okay, so here you have the details regarding the repair orders like repair reference, schedule date, products to repair, customer. Then here we have the delivery, address and the warranty, sale order, company, status and all. Now, corresponding to each repair orders, you can see the status which are like repaired, quotation and all. Okay, now this is currently the list view of the repair orders. Now here you have the button to create. Okay, so from here you can directly create a repair order. Then you have the filter, Groupby and favorites here. Now we have three more views which are the Kanban view, the graph view and then here we have the pivot view. So I'll go back to the list view. Okay, so this is the list view. Now let's take a look at the Kanban view. So on the top right corner you can see the Kanban, clicking on that. Now here you can see a card-like view of each repair orders. Okay, so under one card you can see the details of a repair order, the reference, the product and the customer and also the status of the RO. Okay, so here you have all the other repair orders here. Okay, and also we have the same filter, Groupby and favorites option. So let's go to the graph view next. So here's the graph view. I'm clicking on that and here you get the complete graphical analysis of the repair order. Now each color represents each product. So here on top you can see what all color represents what all product and all. And here you have the date on which this has been created. Okay, now accordingly you can change the measures and you have the option to insert it in spreadsheet. Now this is the bar chart. We have the line chart here, also the pie chart. Okay, so here also we have the filter, Groupby and favorites and then we have the pivot view which is the tabular view. So this is the table. You can see the measures here, so you can change it accordingly. And then if you want to flip the axis you can do that. So here you have the product, the count and all. Okay, so if you want to expand all you can do that and also you can download the XLSX. Okay, now let's go back to the list view. And here, let's take a look at the filter, Groupby and favorites. Now, under filters, you can see quotations. That is, you can filter based on quotations. So, all the repair orders which have the status quotation will be visible here. Then we have the confirmed ones. Okay, so there are currently none under the status confirmed. Then you have ready to repair ones, returned ones, invoiced ones, and also you can filter it based on the created date. And if you want to add custom filter, you can do that from here. Then we have the group by where you can group by customer. So here you have the group custom, it's grouped based on customer. Then here you have the product, that is grouping based on products. You can simply expand it and see the repair orders. Then here you have the grouping based on status. So here you can see repaired to quotation 3. And if you just expand it, you can see the repair orders coming under those statuses. And then we have the warranty expiration. So based on that date, you can set it. And then you have the company also. If you want to add custom group, you can add it from here. And under the favorites, you have save current search, import records, link menu and spreadsheet. And if you want to insert the view or link inside the article, which is in knowledge module, that's also possible here. Then here you have insert link in, insert list in spreadsheet and also if you want to add this to dashboard, you can do that from here. Now all other view also have the same filter, Groupby and favorites option. Now let's move on and create a repair order. So simply clicking on create enables you to create a new repair order. So this is the repair order creation form. So here you have the option to provide the repair description. So if you want to give any kind of description regarding the repair, you can give it here. so that the person who is viewing it can easily identify what the problems are. And here you have the option to choose the product for which you are going to create a repair order. So I'm putting customizable desk and the quantity of the product. So how much products you are sending for repair. So I'm putting the quantity as 1 itself. And here you can set the customer. So I'm choosing deco. Okay. And then if it comes from a sale order, you can choose the sale order reference from here. Okay. So I'm not choosing that. And also the return. Okay. If there is return, currently there are no records. If there is records, you can choose it from here. Then you have the schedule date. So for what date you're scheduling it. So I'm putting 27. And then you can choose the responsible person and the location. Okay, the location of the product. Then, okay, so this location is actually where the repair is taking place. So if you just keep on the help here, that is the field help here, you can see. This is the location where the product to repair is located. That is the location of the product which we are sending to repair. Then you have the company here. By default, it will take the company as what we have logged in. And here you have the warranty expiration. So you can choose that as well. And invoice method, you have before repair, after repair, and no invoice. So I'm putting no invoice. If you want to set it as after repair, you can set it. Okay. So the invoicing address, price list and all has come. Okay. So we'll talk about the invoice in detail in another video. Now here you have the option to choose the tags. So tags, I'll show you where the tags are created. So for the time being, I'll just save it. So 6 is the one. Okay. So under the configuration, you have repair order tags. If you just open it, create it. I'm putting the tag as urgent repair. Okay, and I'm saving it. So this is a tag right now. Going to repairs, the repairs here and choosing the one which we created right now. Editing it. Now here you can see the tags which we created right now. So this tag comes from the configuration. Okay. So from here you can choose the tags. Then you have the paths. So you can add paths. So if you want to add or remove, you can provide that. If you want to add it, put add. Okay. Now what product you want to add on to the repairing product. So I'm putting screw. Okay, so you can provide the lot and serial number. You can see the source and destination location, the quantity and all. So putting the quantity to 5. Okay, that's it. Now under the operations tab, you have the product, description, quantity, unit of measure, unit price, taxes and subtotal. So here you can add the operation. So I'm adding the operation as warranty, 1 year warranty. Okay. So here you can see the description. So it's actually, I'll just read it. The warranty issued to the purchase of an article by its manufacturer promising to repair or replace if necessary within a specified period of time. So I'm putting the warranty here. It's actually a kind of an operation, right? If you buy a product, they'll give you warranty for a particular time period. Now something happens to that product between that period, means the repair and all will be done for free, right? So that's what warranty is, and I'm adding warranty here. If you want to add more products or more operations, you can simply click on add a line. Then here you have the repair notes. If you want to add any internal notes, you can add it here. And here we have the quotation notes. If you want to add quotation notes, you can add it here. So by simply clicking on the slash icon, you get the list of things like bulleted list, number list, checklist, table and all. So you can edit it accordingly. So I'm putting it there. Now on the top bar, you can see the statuses, which is like quotation confirmed and repaired. So currently it's in the state quotation. So if you just click on confirm repair, it will be confirmed. And here you have the option to cancel the repair, print the quotation and also send the quotation. So I'm clicking on confirm repair. So once you click on confirm repair, it has gone to the state which is confirmed. Okay. Now if you want to cancel the repair, you can click it from here. And if you want to start the repair, so once the repairing is starting, or if you start repairing the product, simply click on start repair. So it will be like under repairing. Okay, so after finishing the operation or after finishing the repair, you can simply click on end repair. Okay, so what happened? The state have changed to repaired. Now here you have a smart tab, which is the product moves. So you can see all the product moves which have taken place while the repairing was done. So here you have the customizable desk, which was the product I've taken for repair, and the product I've added to the customizable desk. So here you can see from which all location to which all location it has gone, the quantity, and if it's done or not. Okay, so the status of both is done. Now let's go back. That's all which comes under the repair order. Now simply clicking on cancel allows you to cancel the repair order. Now the only thing remaining is the repairs under the reporting. So I'm opening that. Now here you can see the repair order analysis. Okay, so here you have each product. Okay, now from here you can change the measure. These are the products to repair. You can change the measure here, and if you want to insert it in spreadsheet, you can do that. Here also we have what? The list view. So simply expanding it shows you all the orders. So it's actually filtered. If you just remove the filter, this will be similar to the list view which we get once you click on the repair. Okay, so here we have that. Then we have the Kanban view. Okay, so you can see repair orders under each product because it's filtered based on products. Then you have the pivot view, that is also according to the products which you have given. Okay, now if you want, you can remove the filter and you can add it, whatever filter you want, you can add it. Okay, if you go back to graph view, here you can see the repair orders based on the graphs. Okay, now here you have the line chart and also the pie chart. We can see the products in different colors. And here we have the filter, group by, and favorites. Okay, so these are same as the one which we saw in the beginning. Okay, so repair orders, graphical view, we've already seen, right? So those are the things. Okay, so that's all which comes under the repair module. There's nothing much inside it. It's a very simple module where you can easily repair your products. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.